RIRI teknolojia ITHIITE na mbere na gucenjia na kurehe wathi mweru murutire-ini wa mawira Mbeu njithiru NIMORITIO kwa kuhetukwo ni mahinda na kuhuthira teknolojia kwimathira gia kuria. Ataaramu maugite kuri na mieke kihiri irehetwo ni teknoloji iria ni hamwe na uthondeki wa thenema nenda-ini kugacira kwa urimi wa kiiriu motungata ma ugima wa mwiri hamwe na sekta ingi ayuthi makiurio kuhanyukania na mieke ino kwagirithia miturire yao.
The worker of today is aligned to collaboration tools thank you to AI. The student of yesterday focused on knowledge acquisition, while that one of today is focusing on being adaptive and leveraging democratized learning. Thank you to AI. Society has evolved. My point here being there is potential that you can leverage thanks to AI. But as you walk that journey, enjoy yourself. Just enjoy the journey, enjoy the steps, because life is short too.
Matogoretio ni Dagitari Tony Mwansa kuma ruhonge-ini rwa gibũrũri rwa ũthundũri Kenya. Ataaramu aya mahinyĩrĩirie mahinda nĩ macenjetie na mũndũ wa kwenda gũkinyũkia makinya arabatara gũtwarana na mogarũrũku marĩa mekuo.
Don't be put off by challenges. Remember, opportunities come before challenges. Don't put challenges before opportunities. Opportunities come first. And so this is an important day for you, the 8th of August 2025. And as the other speakers have said, keep in touch with your alma mater. I do with my alma mater in Scotland. You're part of a family now. And in doing so, you'll be become open to opportunities for further education, lifelong education, as someone said earlier. And all of this, of course, can only be achieved, not just by us, but by our trust in God.
Alois Kinyanjui na Newton Karithia aria ni gatagati ka arutwo 8,000 aria mahumbirwo thũmbi umuthi makiuga teknolojia yukite na moguni kiheri maria no nginya mahimbirie.
And what we are telling the youths who have just graduated today is that they can embrace AI to make their work experience more easier, to make the experience at workplaces, be it as self-employment or be it employment, easier. AI is an emerging technology that has come to make sure that we change our way of doing things. It is a global trend, and Kenya, we are not left behind, and that's why MKU is at the forefront of making sure that we inculcate AI skills to our youths and to our graduates.
I will urge my fellow youths to utilize the AI and other technologies to build their life, and you can learn from AI, you can earn anything you want, it will be possible through AI.
Hindi igongona riria kuhumba thũmbi arutwo aria marikitie mathomo university-ini ya MKU, muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa Gathoreki diocese-ini ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria na chancellor munene wa university ino John Struthers makiuria Mbeu njithi kwa gũte mwĩhoko na kwĩrutaniria gũkinyaniria cioneki ciao.
That small voice inside you that urges you to do good and avoid evil, keep it tuned, act rightly, live with integrity, don't compromise your values of honesty, truth or morals. Have God in your heart. Solve problems, be resilient, persevere, don't quit even if you fall. Grace, embrace God, He embraces you. Don't let go of Him. Reach out to Him. Be kind to others. Open your heart. Value yourself. Value others.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mathew Ndung'u wa Mbugua.